Hello and thank you for watching my video. My name is Recursive. I'm CCNA and CCNP certified instructor. Today I will do a demonstration on configuring IPv4 root summarization, and this is scenario 2. This is packet tracer activity 6.4.1.6 CCNA semester 2. Okay, so if I just go to my packet tracer files, and now we're going to do the second scenario. Okay, now the packet tracer has loaded, so I'm going to cancel this user profile. This is our topology and activity. So in this activity, let's see the objectives. Objectives are: part 1, calculate the summary roots; part 2, configure summary roots; and then we verify the connectivity. Little background information: in this activity we will calculate and configure summary roots. Root summarization, also known as root aggregation, is a process of advertising a contiguous set of addresses as a single address. After calculating summary roots for each LAN, you must summarize a route that includes all networks in the topology for the ISP to reach all VLANs. Right, so we're going to summarize for branch 1 is going to send a summary to headquarters. Branch 2 is going to send a summary to headquarters. Same headquarters is going to do for branch 1 and branch 2. Plus, the headquarters is going to summarize to ISP all the routes, including branch 1 and branch 2. Okay, so calculate summary routes. What is the summary route to reach HQ LAN? Okay, so if we look at LAN for HQ, right? So, okay, can we open that notepad again? This is from scenario 1. Okay, so the headquarters LAN is this address, right? So let's put that there, and this address, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to summarize those two into a single summary address, because that was a requirement for headquarters LAN. First thing to do is put this onto decimal, right? So 172, sorry, into binary. So 172 in binary is 128 plus 0, nothing on the 64, 1 on 32, so 128 plus 32 is 160, so we're going to need 12 more. So nothing on 16, 1 in 8, 0 on 4, sorry, I put 1 in 4, 1 in 2, and 0. Okay, so this is 1 to 8. So if you think of it, okay, so 1 to 8. And we are adding, this represents 32, so we add in 32 there. We add in, we ignore the 16, we add in 8, so we add 8 there. And that represents 4 there, that bit there, sorry, that one, 4, and then 2. Now, okay, let's calculate these. 8 and 2, 10, 8 and 2, 10, 24. 24, that's 4, 2, 3, 5, 7, well, that's 174. 174. We don't want 174, we want 172. So get rid of it. That's it. Okay, so that's 172. 22, nothing on 128, nothing on 64, nothing on 32, 1 and 16, right? So nothing on 8, 1 and 4, so that's 20, 1 and 2, that's 22, and 0. Okay, so that's 22. 64, nothing on 1 to 8, 1 on 64, and the rest are zeros. 2, 3, 4, and then 1. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, now I'm going to copy that. And then 66 is just added to here. Now we're going to find out until what bit these two addresses are the same. So if we have a look, first octet is the same, second octet is the same, on third octet up to this bit is the same. So you can divide there a little bit, and then we're going to count them. So we have 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. 22 bits are the same. 22 bits are the same. when we convert this back into decimal, it's 172, 22, and we convert this 64, and the rest are 0. So summary root for HQ LAN is 172.22.64.0 /22. Or if you want to say a subnet mask, is 255.255.252.0. Yeah. Okay. Next one. This is for HQ. So if I write them HQ LAN. Right. The next I think is going to ask us for branch. So branch 1, and then we do the branch 2. So if you look at the branch 1, the LAN is this. So I'll copy that. And this. Okay, so 172.22 is the same. So I'm just going to copy this from here. Copy. So 172.22 is the same as the headquarters. And then 70. So 0 on 128, 1 on 64, and then 0 on 32, 0 on 16, 0 on 8, 1 in 4, 1 in 2. So 64 plus 4, 68 plus 2, 70. That's it. And the rest 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, next one. Again 70, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and then 1 to 9. So 1 to 8, 1 to 9. So when we calculate this, try and find out where the differences are starting. So here is the same, up to here is the same. So here the differences start, right? So when we count how many bits are the same, there's going to be 24 bits all the same. So 4/24. And when we convert it back to decimal, it's going to be 172.22.70.0 4/24. Or if we want to say on decimal, 255.255.255.0. Okay, the next one. Okay, this was for branch 1 LAN. Okay, next one we're gonna do branch 2. Put a cap. Okay, so branch 2, this is the address. Copy that. And this address. Okay, so 172.22 is the same, so I'm just going to copy all that. And then 68, so 0 and 1 to 8, 1 and 64, then we need another 4, so 0 and 32, 0 and 16, 0 and 8, 1 and 4, 0, 0, so that's 64 plus 4, 68, and then the 1, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, the next one, 69, so 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then 1. Okay, so we need to find out where the difference happened. Until here is the same. So here is our difference. So if we count the bits again, 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. 23 bits are the same. When we convert this back into decimal, it's going to be 172.22. This one, we just have to 64 plus 4, this represents 4, so 68. 68. Sorry, 68.0. Okay, so that's the address, the summary address of those two IP addresses. So 68.0. Or we can say 255.255.255.254. And this is BR2 LAN. Okay. Now, when we take, because we're going to advertise headquarters, HQ is going to advertise to ISP. So we're going to take this network headquarters network and branch network. Control C, yeah, Control V to base, and branch 2 summary network. Okay, I don't need the subnet, I'll just get rid of them to calculate the summary. Okay, so 172.22 is the same, so I'll take that. Then it's 64, yeah, so 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 172.22, 670 now, so 0, 1, that's 64, and I need 6 more, so 0 and 32, 0 and 16, 0 and 8, 1 and 4, 1 and 2, and 0. Okay, then the rest are 0. And then 68, so 0, 164, and then 1 and 4, 0, 0. The rest are zeros. So to advertise from headquarters to ISP up to here is the same. So we can advertise to ISP summary route. So we count is 8, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 bits are the same. Okay, and when we convert this back to decimal, it's going to be 172.22.64.0 /21. Okay, /21 you can say 255.255.248.0. Excellent. Configure a directly attached summary route on headquarters to reach the branch 1 LAN. Okay, so to configure directly attached for headquarters to LAN, right, I was thinking of doing notepad here, so it's going to be, we already have IP route directly attached. It's going to be on the 0000. Yeah. Okay, let's go back. No, this is scenario 1, so I'll get rid of this. I want scenario 2. Okay, so direct attached from branch 1, it's S000. Okay, so from headquarters. Okay, so branch 1 to headquarters is S000. Sorry, S0/0/0/0. Okay, so this one, IP route 172.20.70.0, that's the subnet mask, and then we're gonna say S0/0/0/0. All right, what's the next one? Configure recursive summary route on headquarters to reach branch 2 LAN. Did we skip one? Okay, configure directly attached summary route headquarters to reach branch 1 VLAN. Okay. Let's go to headquarters. Okay. Now enable config T IP route to reach the branch 1. Branch 1, it was this. Get rid of this. That's it. To reach branch 1 from headquarters, paste. And then directly attached is S000. Enter. Default route without gateway, if not in point-to-point, may impact the performance. It's point-to-point. And configure recursive summary route on headquarters to reach branch 2. Okay, so branch 2 is this. Copy that. So I'm going to go to headquarters and first IP route. Recursive, we're going to go to the neighbor's IP address. neighbor's IP address, or it is. So S001 is this IP address, us, and our neighbor, it should be in 71.6. There we go. That's it. I can just copy that. Paste here. Right. So end. Show IP route. Right. So I should have two static routes. One is pointing towards branch 1, and the other one is pointing towards branch 2. Sorry, this is branch 1 and this is branch 2. Right, /31 there. That's wrong. Let's go have a look what we did. Not 254 there. 254 here. That's it. Okay, so to copy for that static route that I did by mistake, I need to remove it. So IP route, that's the one. So I'll go to the front, Control A to go to the front and say no, and I will paste this. Sorry, right IP route first, and then paste it. And this is gonna go to recursive, so 22.71.6. Right, show IP route static. So this is branch 1 and this is branch 2. Okay, now let's have a look what's our next requirement. Configure a summary route on branch 1 routed to other networks. Configure recursive summary route to reach branch 1, from branch 1 to the headquarters, and from branch 1 to branch 2. So if I go to branch 1, CLI. Okay, enable config T IP route. Now to go to branch 2, for example, let's take that, copy, paste it, and they want recursive. So recursive means that we need to look at the IP address. So from branch 1, that's my IP address, 71.2 and 71.1. Okay, so Control C and paste it. Okay, that's from us to branch 2, and we need to do it from us to HQ. Right, so let me get rid of that. I'm just going to see this again. Let's have a look again. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay. I thought I made another mistake there, but no, that's fine. So copy that, IP route, and paste that, and again 172.22.71.1. Right, and show IP route. So let's just see static ones. So show static. Okay, why do we have? Oh, we pasted on branch. Branch 1 has, did it have it before some? Okay, I didn't paste the other ones. I paste only, what did I do? Only 64, paste this one, and I paste 68, right? There's got some others as well. I don't know, they were maybe there. I didn't check, I should have checked. Okay, next one. It says configure a summary route on branch 2 to other networks, right? configure directly attached summary route on branch 2 to reach the branch 1, and configure recursive summary route from branch 2 to headquarters. Okay, so let me go to branch 2 now. Right. So enable config. Let me just see here. Do show IP route. Does they have this one? Yeah, they did have some. Okay, some are already configured. Alright, so we're gonna go to branch 1. So from branch 2 to this address. This is summary for branch 1. So copy that and configure a directly attached route from branch 2 to branch 1. So we'll go to branch 2 and say IP route and then paste that. Right? Directly attached is probably going to be S001. Yep, that's it. S001. Okay, so S001. Configure recursive summary route from branch 2 to headquarters. So if you look at the headquarters, this was the summary route. I say config T IP route. Route, paste that. From recursive, we need to find the IP address of the neighbor. So from branch 2, 71.6, so 71.5, that one. Control C, copy, and paste it. Let's put a gap there. There you go. And show IP route static. Okay, so now 64. Okay, it was already there. I'll configure another one. Right, so now we need to configure a static route from HQ to ISP. Right, so we have to go to HQ and configure one for the ISP. So config T, and what does it require? Configure summary route on the ISP. Oh, so we have to go to an ISP to reach all networks. So we have to go to ISP. Right. Let's go expand this. Enable config T IP route. Paste that route and summary route. Doesn't tell us. Do we need to go to neighbor? Okay. Let's go out of the interface. So S001. S001. Now, okay. We have not completed. Verify that all switches on the routers can ping each other. Device and topology. If not, we need to troubleshoot. It's 86 out of 100. So things are not done. Okay, let's have a look. Who can ping who? Can this switch ping this switch? First failed, okay, but that's all. No. This switch, can you ping this switch? No. No, they'll fail. Okay, you just go and check what we're missing. Check results. Okay. Here, branch 2 is incorrect. Summary static. Okay, so if I go to branch 2 and show IP, I'll just do show run. Okay, so IP route 172.22. Hold on. From branch 2 to branch 1 is this 70. And then what's the headquarters? I thought I put it. Okay, copy. Config T IP root basic. And then what was it requirement? So from branch 1 to headquarters. So from branch 1, is it branch 1 or branch 2 we're doing? Branch 2. Branch 2 to headquarters. From branch 2 to headquarters is recursive. So we need to put the headquarters IP address. Just this one here. Okay, and show run. Yeah, it's there now. 64. Show IP root. 64 is there. Yay, we got 100%. Excellent. Okay, so now we're just gonna try and ping it. So verify that all switches and routers can ping each other devices in the topology. If not, we troubleshoot. Okay, so have a look at the topology. So okay, so if I open LAN 1, where's LAN 1? Here. LAN 1 switch. And if I say enable, show IP interface brief. Okay, a bit more. That's it. That's our IP address. 64.2. Can we ping our neighbor, which is 172.22.64.2. That's ourselves. So 66.2. Which is this one here. Yep, you can ping it. We lost 2 ARP. We didn't lose, but we lost timeout because of ARP. Okay, so can we ping LAN 3? So ping 172.22.70.2, which is, there we go. That's it. Done. Can ping it. Can we ping LAN 4? So this is this aggregate. So 130. Yep. Can we ping LAN 5? 68.2. Yep, I can ping it. And 69.2. Yeah, we can ping it. So switch 1 can ping all the switches. I'm gonna do just one more, because if we ping switch 1, it's gonna waste your time here. We can stop there. We can stop the video, but I'm gonna do it anyway. I'm gonna go from LAN 3, ping LAN 5. If that works, we know everything it works, and then we can check the ISP as well. Can ping. Okay, so enable. Ping. This we are in LAN 3, so can we ping LAN 5? So 68.2. 172.22.68.2. Yeah. Okay, excellent. And the ISP. If ISP can ping everything, all my switches, then everything is working. So ping this one first. 172. This one here. Ping 172.22.64.2. Yep. 66.2. Yep. Next one 70.2. 70.2. Yep. 170.130. Yep. 68.2. 68.2. Yep. And 69.2. Yeah, excellent. Everything pings. And thank you very much for watching our video. This has been Astrid Krasniqi demonstrating you how to configure an IPv4 root summarization. Sorry it went a bit long, but I hope you learned something here today. Thank you and see you in the future videos. Bye bye.